Hi friends, this is Joe McFerrin. I'm the CEO of IWD Agency. We are a leading e-commerce agency helping brands of all sizes achieve their goals. But just between you and me, IWD stands for International World Domination. Are you ready to dominate the world? We won't let you down. Also, if you need someone to call just in case shit hits the fan, we're here for that as well. If you've ever been in a situation where something goes wrong with your storefront, you know it's critical to have someone on your side in that moment. We can help you scale your marketing efforts, enhance your customer experience online, increase your conversion rate, update your online branding, and even help you solve many of your business problems. Our team has a reputation of providing top-notch professional solutions and customer service. It's been a really long journey. Over the last 15 years, we've helped thousands of store owners. We know what works and what doesn't, and we know when to innovate a new solution. Our closest clients call us the wedding coordinators at eCommerce, as we help our clients not only find the right solutions to the problem, but also help them avoid landmines that cost them a ton of time and money. We have worked with almost every major e-commerce platform out there, which means we'll give you the insights to discover which platform is best for your needs. Our network of vendors is also very vast and versatile. We'll connect you with the right people to help you streamline your business with the right solution. This is from shipping management, order management tools, ERP integrations, payment providers, and many other solutions that can help accelerate your brand. So don't spend thousands of hours researching tools, talking to sales reps. We'll do all that dirty work for you and give you a few options that will fit your needs and your budget, so you can focus on making the decisions that will grow your brand and your business and not waste your time hunting through all these different solutions. The first consultation is on us. Our goal in this first call is just to learn more about your goals, discuss a game plan on how you plan to reach these, and see how we might be able to help. And hey, if you decide to go with another agency, no hard feelings, just know that we told you so. Just kidding. We're always here to help. Just feel free to hit us up anytime. Anyways, see you next time. Bye.